Whatever you feel in your life must explain. No matter what situation you face, what problems are coming in your life, commitment in action is more important than your words. Remember that action equals words always create troubles, problems. In your life, you have given 4 chances. It's up to you that what kind of path do you select for yourself. If you want just live just like a common man, then nothing you have to do in this world, only just to live. Don't forget that troubles are not only for you, but problems are always concern to the people who are always trying. But whenever you are not trying, you don't allow anything must be performed by you, then nothing will come in your life. You will live an easy life. Your comfortable zone doesn't keep any room. For commitment, you must have confidence. When you have confidence, you can do everything, whatever you think in your mind. Whenever you feel your responsibility, you own it, then nothing can defeat you. Because defeat is always related to those who are not trying, just rest every time. Whenever you accept your mistake, it's a beginning point to grow up. Be responsible for everything. Don't blame on others. Always manage things. Whenever you are managing things, your ideas, your opinions, your thoughts, then you always moves up. Life is nothing but hope.